Hello guys, and welcome back. The Temple Bar, most famous bar possibly in Ireland. But there it stands in all its glory, full of lights at Christmas time. Absolutely beautiful. So yeah, we're in here at Temple Bar, and what we'll do is we'll just go for a walk around this area and take in the sights. I just had to do a little runner there, guys. There was some copyright music. But you got the Temple Bar here, a little whiskey and cigar bar. Wow. That's so cool in there. If you ever get a chance, guys, if you are in Dublin, check out the Temple Bar. I was a little quick there, I was just getting in between music. But what I might do is I might try and get back there and see can I walk around in the internals of the inside the pub basically with my camera. It's got another iconic bar there called the Keys. And just up there you have the old storehouse, also here in Temple Bar. I recommend that one. I've been in that quite some time.
Hold on a minute, and I'm not getting to the tab twice.
So what we'll do is we'll head over here, across the Halfpenny Bridge, across Liffey Street, and we'll head down Henry Street towards the Spur. Just want to capture the side view of the Liffey, of the Halfpenny Bridge. Look how calm that water is.
gin sauce.
Hold on.
They're like
Yeah.
I'm going to book the this Great Britain place. I'll give you a shout when I get there.
Go down here. non è nel palazzo.
All the Christmas traders, remember they were here on the previous video? All the stalls and all that, they're all gone already. I didn't know they were gone straight away. The spire, you can't even see the top of the spire, the fog. I can barely see it.
Böyle bakacaksın elemanlar.
Mirror Street. Every now and again, guys, I am sort of going and walking out a bit quicker. There's a lot of music playing in some of these shops.
I love it. Let's go to the fire.
See,
So this is O'Connell Street. I will walk up and down both sides of this in a different video. It's a nice sign up there, isn't it? It's a Christmas tree for Dublin this year. Alright guys, I think I'll leave you there. Temple Bar all the way down to the Dublin portal. This is pretty cool. I keep forgetting about this is in town. So I don't know where that is. I think that's Romania that they're looking at there. Alright guys. Until next time. Stand up.